Hello, motion twofers. I wanted to give you a quick run through of the 7 NURB types for the NURB exhibition assignment that's due. With all the chaos of people coming and going in our class, I'm not sure who heard what, so let's start. Let's start with extrusion, which is probably the most basic NURB. It's this one right here, it's this icon, the cube that looks like it's being extruded backwards. Let's just make an extrude object, and one thing you should know about a lot of these generators is that they don't take full shapes. Like, we wouldn't want to put a cube or a sphere inside of this extrude generator. We just want to put a stroke, or what's called a spline in Cinema 4D, and those splines you find under this pen icon right here. Let us go ahead and, let's do a star. Let's do this star. As with most, if not all generators, you need to put the object you want to be extruded, the spline you want to be extruded, inside of the extrude object. See how we now have a 3D star. If we select the extrude object and come down here to our attributes menu, we see that the star is being extruded 20 centimeters along the z-axis. This is X, Y, and Z. And if we extend it like that, then that happens. Now, any sort of spline you can put inside of here. If I wanted to, here, let me go to, let's click this 4-view button. Let's go to our front view. If I wanted to click and hold on the pen icon and go to sketch and make some sort of blobby amoeba shape, which I love to do. Let's see. Can I? Yes, I can. That new spline I drew, I can select the close spline button, make sure that's connected there. That's not a great look for this new spline. So let me go to point mode, let me go to selection mode, select this point, hit delete. I might delete this one as well. Delete, there we go. That's a little bit better organic shape. And let's just say I wanted to put that organic shape as my extrusion. I could just throw it here in the extrude and either hide or delete my star. Let's go back to perspective mode, and there we go. Now I have my sort of psychedelic shape, my amoeba shape being extruded. If your spline that you put inside the extrude element is facing any other way other than the z-axis, you're going to need to change on the extrude object properties or attributes. You're going to need to change this direction to either Y, see how that moves it up, or X, which moves it left or right. And that does it for extrude.